If you've ever noticed that you keep going back to the same song, not just for a few minutes, but for hours, days, sometimes even weeks, playing it over and over again until every lyric feels familiar and every beat feels predictable, you might think it's just because you really like the song. But most of the time, it goes deeper than that. People who listen to the same song on repeat aren't just enjoying music, they're returning to a feeling, and often they don't even realize it. It doesn't look like a big deal from the outside. You're just pressing replay, maybe while you're scrolling on your phone, lying in bed, or sitting quietly doing nothing. But internally, something very specific is happening. That song becomes something your mind doesn't have to figure out. You already know what's coming next. The tone, the rhythm, the exact moment your favorite line hits. And in a world that often feels unpredictable and mentally overwhelming, that kind of predictability feels safe. It gives your mind a break from constantly analyzing everything. This is especially true for people who tend to overthink. When your thoughts are always running, replaying conversations, questioning decisions, wondering how others perceive you, your mind rarely gets a moment of stillness. A repeated song becomes a kind of mental anchor. You don't have to process it. You don't have to analyze it. You just feel it again and again. And that repetition creates a quiet sense of stability. But it's not just about familiarity. It's about emotional alignment. People don't replay songs randomly. They replay songs that match something happening inside them, a mood they can't fully explain, a memory they haven't completely processed, a feeling that doesn't have clear words yet. Sometimes it's a soft kind of sadness, not overwhelming, not chaotic, but controlled, almost comforting. Because when a song mirrors your internal state perfectly, it makes you feel understood without needing to explain yourself to anyone. You might notice this in small ways, like going back to the same song after something emotional happens, or playing it late at night when everything feels quieter and more honest, or skipping multiple songs just to return to that one, not because it's objectively better, but because it fits something the others don't. Over time, that song starts to carry meaning. It becomes connected to a version of you, a specific phase, a specific emotional space, almost like a place you can return to whenever you need it. And here's where it gets interesting, because the real reason people replay the same song isn't just comfort, it's control, emotional control. When feelings are too complex or unclear, the brain looks for ways to regulate them, not by removing them, but by containing them. And a repeated song does exactly that. It gives structure to something abstract, a beginning, a middle, and an end. Even if your thoughts feel scattered, the song doesn't, and that creates a subtle sense of order inside you. So when you keep replaying it, you're not stuck, you're regulating. You're keeping your emotions within a range that feels manageable. That's not weakness, it's protection. It's your mind finding a quiet way to handle something it can't fully process yet. There's also something most people don't notice. Repetition creates emotional depth. Each time you listen, you're not hearing the same song. You're hearing it from a slightly different version of yourself. A lyric that didn't mean much yesterday might suddenly feel personal today. A line you ignored before might hit differently. It's the same song, but a different emotional state. And that's why it doesn't get boring, because the experience keeps changing, even if the sound doesn't. People who do this often have rich internal worlds. They think deeply. They feel deeply, but they don't always express those feelings outwardly. So instead, they process things quietly through patterns like this. And sometimes that repeated song becomes the only place where everything feels understood. No expectations, no explanations, no misunderstandings. Just a loop that holds everything together for a while. And eventually, you might move on from that song. Or maybe you won't. Maybe it stays with you for years, coming back during certain moments, and every time you hear it again, it doesn't just bring back the sound, it brings back the version of you that needed it, the thoughts you had, the emotions you carried, the phase you were in. And once you start noticing that, you realize it was never random. It was a pattern, a quiet way your mind learned to process something without falling apart, a way to feel something fully without having to explain it. So if you've ever found yourself listening to the same song on repeat over and over again, it might not just be about music. It might be one of the most honest ways you've been dealing with something internally without saying a single word. And once you see that, you can't unsee it. That awareness alone starts to change how you understand yourself. If this made you feel understood in some way, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And tell me in the comments, what's that one song you keep going back to, no matter how many times you've heard it?